So that is the 7, 8, 10 Silver Jubilee, sitting finished off, ready for heading home. Hard to know what to say about her, but she's pretty smart looking. These Silver Jubilees had, I'm not an expert on them, but this black box here is a radar for picking up ground speed. Maybe it tells you much ground you have covered, wheel slip. Also, I think there's a bigger hydraulic pump on them for more oil flow rate. This one here has aircon, so this bit is inside of the bonnet. The aircon pump sits in behind that air bit, and with the aircon pump been in there and having an aircon radiator at the very front of her, you can't really see it, but the expansion bottle or the overflow bottle from the radiator sits in there. Normally it sits at the front of the radiators, but that's where it sits at. Something I never knew, something that I've learnt. She's now sitting on a set of Goodyear tyres. The size of them there is a 420 by 85 by 24 on the front, and on the rear 460 by 85 by 38. Quite a big tyre. And as we walk around this tractor, what else can we say about her? She's got a nice set of weights in front of her. That will hold her down whenever she gets a big load on behind her. So this one here now, compared to the other one we have in the workshop at the minute, this one has a fold down window which folds forward, and the other one that we haven't seen is this bar here goes straight across from her. So a bit of a slight difference in the two cabs of them. Back end looks very pretty with all this gold anodizing that you see. It really stands out. Don't think like they could ever have been as good looking when they came out of the factory, but that's what the customer wanted. He wanted his tractor to look pretty. Yeah, so we'll jump in here and take her for a wee bit of a run. Boston Viking 203 seat, it's like new on her. We repaired their armrests, which had a wee bit of damage on them. Inside, however, it's just like pretty much like new. The foot pedal on her now had the clutch pedal had a little bit of wear on it, so we re-grooved it out. And you get inside her now. She's got a digital dash, which probably would have been fancy back in her day to have a digital dash in your tractor. Our passenger side seat now has got a bar to hold on to and a footrest. Something that she didn't have when she came in, but this customer of ours fit to get that. And I was just saying about the rear window, the clicks in the side where you hold your rear window shut and you can fold it in. Not too sure what the benefit would that be in this tractor, but it probably would give you a better view of maybe the pickup hitch or what you were doing at the back. even managed to get an original Ford radio for the tractor. The clock doesn't work, unfortunately, but maybe someday one will turn up on eBay and it'll not be hard to put in. Bonnet's looking pretty on her. So we'll give her a wee start up if she starts. Pretty lively. 7, 8, 10 Ford, about a 6-cylinder. See if we run down the lane here. So as I say, the little wee computer on the side of the dashboard, I'm not too sure what it is, but on it says area, slip time and area and hours that you've been doing. And on the floor, you hit this button here, you get an hour gear. Probably you want it in a starter, if you want a lot more smoke, you could give her a bit more diesel. She wouldn't afford it, she's not putting out a load of smoke. So she's pretty nice, smooth to drive in the road. I would take her on down the road, but I don't want to really driving the tractor on the road with a mobile phone. I have enough points as it is. Get round these streets here, wouldn't like to pull the mirrors off her. So that's it. That's the Ford 7, 8, 10 Silver Jubilee.